So I've had my F-150 Tremor for a while. One of the things about the Tremor is that it is decked out with like a lot of orange trim, and but the knobs, you know, they're the generic F-150 knobs, and most of them are plastic as well. So what I'm doing is I'm adding these knob covers here, which are metallic, which is nice, so that way you're actually grabbing onto metal as opposed to plastic or a rubberish feeling. So that's why I'm doing this, to kind of customize the truck. So as you can see, the first thing that I'm going to do is go ahead and add this knob cover here, and it's that easy. There's nothing else to it, and it's on there with friction. So let's go ahead and get on into the truck here. All right, so as you can see, we do have these other covers here, so let's go ahead and apply those. And these are the ones that I'm talking about that just feel cheap. It's one of the things that I dislike the most about the F-150, but as you can see, it does add something nice to the vehicle. And then this big guy here goes right up here, which I don't really mind that one, so I might actually take that one off. The rubber isn't that bad, but it's just like those plastic knobs that I really don't like. And then the only thing that I did end up doing, I don't know if you can see with the camera there, is I added a little bit of tape over here. And the reason behind that is because this knob is not, or knob cover is not exactly the perfect size, but with just a little bit of tape on there, we are able to get that taut on there, and everything looks great. So that's an easy way to customize your F-150. If you don't have a Tremor, these knobs do come in a multitude of other colors, and I'll leave a link down in the description. If you have any questions about this, please let me know. Otherwise, have a great day.